Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool under right here, and basically what this is an artificial Christmas tree. And see for the packaging, this one's actually pretty cool, and the packaging is actually very pink, because for the one that we got right here is a pink Christmas tree. But right here on this side does say Merry Christmas. And this side right here show you guys everything that's included inside. But I'm actually opening this up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so once you guys do open up, that is basically what the inside looks like. So you see how inside they do give you guys the pink Christmas tree, and they do have a bunch of stuff inside. So take it all out to show you guys what's included inside. So first thing inside, they do provide you guys the LED lights that basically work as string light option. Next thing inside, they provide you guys the wrapping that's used for the bottom of the actual tree. Next thing inside, they provide you guys another one, string lights. Next thing inside, we do have the Christmas tree. If you guys do take it out, you can see it's actually very pink. Top part right here, we do have the option for you guys to hang the star. And then right here is the bottom part where you can stick it into the foundation. But basically for each one, the arms right here, you do have the option to take it out like that. So that way, once you guys do spread it out, it look a lot nicer. And that way, you hang stuff on here in terms of decoration. Next thing inside, we do have the decorations. So right here, it does show Merry Christmas. And then right here, we do have the gift boxes. And in the back, we do have the star. And see how nice it looks with the glitter design. Next right here, they provide you guys a Christmas ball. And see how they do give you guys a bunch of pink ones. And we do have some silver ones as well. Next right here, we do have the foundation that I was talking about. So you basically want to stick one of them into the hole right here for the foundation. And then this part right here is where you're gonna put it flat down on the table. And in terms of the pink paper, you guys want to wrap it around it once you guys finish setting it up. So that is basically what the bottom part looks like. And the last thing inside, they do provide some ribbon that's used for decoration as well. And that is basically everything that's included in the package. So for this Christmas tree, when you guys do get it, it is a DIY project. So you guys need to decorate it yourself. So whether if you guys want to use their ornament or if you guys want to get your own, that is totally up to you guys. But that is basically everything that's included in the package. Now I'm just going to set this up to show you guys what the product looks like. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Welcome back, guys. So now just a quick test of product, and definitely actually does work and should work quite well. You can see how once you guys finish decorating, it definitely looks pretty nice, especially if you guys do like the color pink. And it definitely took me some time to decorate everything because I want to make sure everything looks pretty nice once I do fully set it up. But I can totally see how fun this can be if you guys do set this up maybe with your family, your kids, or someone else. But once you guys finish decorating, you can definitely set this up anywhere as you want. Whether if you guys want to set this up at home, in the office, or anywhere else, that is totally up to you guys. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality artificial Christmas tree that can use for decoration, for Christmas or whatever. Then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't want these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.